Today, I'll walk you through how to convert a PDF file to JPG images using Adobe Acrobat, both with the desktop application and the super convenient online service. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any PDF, whether it's a multi-page report or a single graphic, into crisp JPG images you can share, edit, or upload wherever you need. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with the desktop Adobe Acrobat application. This is perfect if you already have Acrobat installed and want a quick way to work with large or sensitive files right on your computer. Begin by launching Acrobat and opening your PDF file. Sometimes it takes a moment for a bigger document to load, so don't worry if you see a spinning icon. Just give it a second. Once your file is opened, look over to the right side of the window. There you'll see the Export PDF tool. You can also access this by clicking File up at the top, then Export to, and finally choosing Image. Either route gets you to the same place, and it's really intuitive once you get the hang of it. Now, choose JPEG as your image format. You might notice a few other options like PNG or TIFF, but JPEG is great for general use. It's widely compatible and balances file size with quality. Selecting JPG tells Acrobat exactly what sort of file you want as an output. This is important because different formats serve different purposes. JPEGs are ideal for presentations, social media sharing, or archiving images where you don't need ultra-high resolution. Ready to actually make the conversion? Click Export. Acrobat will prompt the Save As dialog box. Here's your chance to pick where on your computer the images will be saved. If you want, you can give your files a custom name, which is super handy if you're converting multiple PDFs and want to keep everything organized. Otherwise, Acrobat will default to the original file name, appending each page number to it. Click Save, and here's a key detail. Each page in the PDF is turned into a separate JPG image. So, if your PDF has 3 pages, you'll end up with 3 distinct JPG files, each perfectly rendered. This makes it easy to grab just the pages you want or share individual images without splitting the PDF manually. If you don't have the desktop app handy, Adobe's online PDF to JPG converter is a fantastic alternative. Just open your favorite web browser and head to the Adobe Online Converter. No installation needed, and it works on Mac, Windows, or even your phone. At the site, you'll see a big inviting button labeled Select a File. You can also just drag and drop your PDF into the space. It's a bit like dropping a letter into a mailbox. Once your file's uploaded, pick JPG from the format options. It's straightforward, no confusing menus. Then, hit Convert to JPG. Adobe's servers will do all the heavy lifting behind the scenes, which means you don't need a powerful computer or any special settings. A few seconds later, your JPG file will be ready. Just click Download to save it to your device. If you want to share it directly to someone else, there's an option to log in and send it straight from Adobe's platform. That's great for quick collaborations or sharing images for feedback. No emailing attachments necessary. And that's all there is to it. Whether you use Adobe Acrobat's desktop application or the online converter, converting PDFs to JPGs is simple, fast, and flexible. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. If you run into any issues, just drop a question in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and I'll see you next time.